bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
When cooking a turkey, some of the biggest mistakes to avoid include not thawing the turkey completely if it's frozen, which can lead to uneven cooking, forgetting to remove the giblets and neck from the cavity, overcrowding the pan, which prevents heat circulation, over or under seasoning, and not letting the turkey rest before carving, which can lead to dry meat. Additionally, avoid relying solely on the pop-up timer that comes with some turkeys, as they're not always accurate. Use a meat thermometer to ensure the turkey reaches the safe internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.